The final step is settings. This is where you define how Jason will run your outreach. First, choose your sending mode. In automatic mode, Jason generates and sends messages without your review. In approval mode, Jason creates a draft for each prospect and saves it for review. You'll be able to review each message with full context about the prospect in the Pending Approval tab. You can edit, regenerate, or approve messages before sending. Next, deliverability settings. You can enable plain text mode to send text-only emails. This can improve deliverability depending on your campaign. In the Account tab, select the mailboxes used for sending. You can also connect your LinkedIn accounts here. In General Settings, define how your outreach behaves. Set limits for all emails, first-step emails only, define delays, etc. You can also enable or disable open tracking and link tracking. In the Schedule tab, define when your messages should be sent. You can select an existing schedule or create a new one. In Replies handling, define what happens after a prospect replies. You can also set when a sequence should be considered finished. Calls handling allows you to configure how calls are managed. This includes automatic or manual handling and bridge call options. Tasks handling lets you define how tasks are created and managed. You can automate or manually control task workflows. In the Jason AI tab, you define how Jason handles replies. You can add a knowledge base here if you didn't do it earlier. You can also choose your meeting scheduler, like Reply or Calendly. With Calendly integration, Jason can check availability and book meetings automatically. You can decide what to do with AI-generated replies, either save them as drafts or send automatically. The same applies to re-engagement follow-ups. You can also configure CC and BCC behavior for follow-ups. At this step, you define how automated or controlled your outreach should be. Jason handles execution, from sending messages to booking meetings, while you stay in control of every detail.